Do you love bread and bread products and struggle to give up these ultra-processed food items? Great news, I have 5 alternatives for you. I'm Jackie Elmer. Grab my shopping and label reading guide at lowertoxiclife.com. So much of the bread, tortillas, and muffins that we consume today have been hijacked by unhealthy ingredients. Most fall into that ultra-processed food category. And this includes those everyday items we see on the grocery shelf that we might assume is good for us based on packaging and deceptive marketing language. And this is because they often have those added extra ingredients during production, such as emulsifiers, sweeteners, artificial colors, flavors, and certainly preservatives. So I'm going to share with you 5 very simple bread replacements that you can easily find at the grocery store or make for yourself and use if you simply have to have bread. Now, for tortilla type things or sandwich wraps, my very favorite is this Siete brand almond flour tortillas. Anytime you're shopping for alternative type tortillas, make sure that you read the labels carefully. Now, my second favorite is the La Tortilla cauliflower and cassava flour brand of tortillas. These work great as well. And again, be sure that you read labels. Now, another option I love are simple lettuce wraps. I like to buy organic. This is just simply organic green lettuce. That's definitely the healthier option. I use these for tacos. I use these for Chinese style food. It's simply amazing. And then for muffins or that type of bread, I like to make my own. You can go to recipes.lowertoxiclife.com and you will find these. One is my perfection disguised as a paleo muffin, which you can do all different types of things. You can make them fruit with fresh blueberries. You can buy cacao style chocolate chips, add in bananas. You can really make these quite delicious, sugar-free and traditional flour-free. I make them with almond and coconut flour. And then my cauliflower muffins, these aren't my most beautiful ones, but they're the most recent ones that I made. Again, you will find my cauliflower power muffins over on the blog at recipes.lowertoxiclife.com. The nice thing about these muffins, you can combine all the ingredients together and then you can bake as many as you want. You can freeze these into maybe enough that would make 6 muffins or 4 muffins, whatever works for you. And then you can have those simply frozen, pop them out, let that thaw overnight or a couple of hours on your counter, make them, and then you can have fresh muffins. Fill your home with a beautiful aroma. I do this when I'm having guests. I will pre-plan, and then each morning I make fresh baked muffins. And believe me, it goes over extremely well. So leave me your best bread replacements in the comments below. I'm Jackie Elmer, lowertoxiclife.com.